Okay, so once I have the image layer placed above the shape that I want to clip it to, I'm simply going to right click on the image and choose Create Clipping Mask. And then it will clip to the shape that I have below it. So I'm going to demonstrate that a second time. I'm going to open up another image in Photoshop by going File, Open. I'm going to use Control A to bring up the marching ants around the entire image, or to select the whole image, and Control C to copy. I'm going to jump back to my template and Control V to paste. With the Move tool, I'm going to drag my image around to place it where I'd like it to be. If I need it to be a bit smaller, I'm going to use Control T or Edit Free Transform to resize. So once I'm happy with the size and placement of my image, I'm going to hit Enter to accept. And then I need to find where is this shape in the layer stack. So I want to make sure that I have it above the shape that I want to clip it to. So I can double check by turning layers off and on. So I actually want to clip it to that shape. So there we go. So I'm going to bring the image above the shape I want to clip it to, and then I'm going to right click on the image and choose Create Clipping Mask, and it will clip my photo to the shape. One more image to show you with. So to bring up those marching ants, we do Control A on our keyboard. Then we're going to do Edit Copy or Control C to copy the image. Then we're going to go over to our template and Control V or Edit Paste to paste the image. To resize, you're going to do Control T or Edit Free Transform. And then hold down the Shift key if you don't want to squish your image as you drag in from the corners. Okay. All right, I'm going to find a place where I'd like the image to go. And when I'm happy with the size and placement, I'm going to hit Enter on my keyboard or this little check mark up top to accept that size change. Then I'm going to start playing in my layer stack by bringing the layer down, dragging it down until I can see that I am below the shape that I want to clip it to. So I think this might have been my very first shape. Yep, it was. So under the first shape I made, now I can drag it just above it, right click, and create clipping mask. And that is how you create your own custom layout in Photoshop. Remember, when you're all done your collage, you can save it as a JPEG or a PNG file to upload to your portfolio. If you think you're going to come back later and edit any more photos, or you want to just save your template, you can save it as a PSD to keep these layers available to you. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.